Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the June 2021 mystery kit. So let's go ahead and get into it. This kit is no longer available. If you are looking for it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. As people get them, there will be probably some posted on there. But I'm really excited about this because it's another fun foil and also a new foil design. And it's a really, really gorgeous kit and I cannot wait to use it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the June 2021 mystery. It's like a beachy, like cool toned beach house kind of kit, and I am obsessed. This will be so pretty in August, and I just think it's so fun. So you have your two fashion options in the corner. You have a really pretty s'mores flat lay with some cards and a book. Up here you have some board games along with a really pretty candle, a beach bag, and some towels with a little manicure, and then a little fashion flat lay with seashells. Then over here you do have a tall box option, and these colors are everything. They remind me of that, like, I think it was Under the, or By the Sea maybe had similar colors, which was like a kit from like 5 or 6 years ago. I just think it's so pretty and perfect for a summer beach trip, or if you just want to use it as like an anytime kit. I love these patterns. The bottom washi is a really pretty tie-dye, and then this sheet here has your extra color, which is this really pretty coral, along with 2 extra fashion options. And then this sheet here has your 15mm strip, pattern bottom washi, an alternate skin tone for this box, another fashion option, a beach bag flat lay, and then also a scene flat lay, which would be perfect in my opinion for a quote box. So that is the ultimate kit, and let me go ahead and show you guys the gorgeous, gorgeous foil bundle that comes with it. So this, like I said, is in a new like format. So this is like a tropical format. So you have like all different outlines of tropical leaves, and then you just have a kind of like classic minimal glitter headers with it. So you get 2 pages of that. You also get the 2 pages of Bougie Boxes. It is in Champagne Lights, which is my favorite foil of all time, which is like a sparkly gold. Let me see if I can catch it. I'll probably be able to catch it better on the bottom washi, but this page here has the icons and the scripts, and then you have the bottom washi, which has these really pretty flowers. You can see the Champagne Lights there. You have the fancy headers, some little deco sparkly bits, and then also the date numbers. So that is the foil bundle that comes with the ultimate kit, and I am just so obsessed. I cannot wait to use this. I hope to get back into playing with me's soon. Okay, let's go ahead into the mini kit, which is the more affordable option. It comes with a gold freebie here, and then you have the full boxes, the deco page, the glitter headers, the mini kit page, the bottom washi page, and then you also do get this page here that has the extra labels, the extra color, and the fashion as the other freebie. So that is everything for this month. I hope you guys like this month's mystery. Next month, I believe, also is a fun foil and a foil bundle that we haven't done yet, but like a new, like an older format. You'll see, you'll love it. I really, really like next month. So, oh wait, no, next month is a fun foil and a format that we've never done at all. So I'm really excited about that. I've been really trying to change it up for you guys. You guys have been really loving it. So that is everything for this month's mystery, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.